Press start.
Hello, I'm Tennyson. We will learn about Quicktime Player. Quicktime is an extensible multimedia framework developed by Apple Incorporated, developed in 1991, capable of handling various formats of digital video, picture, sound, panoramic images, and interactivity. This looks similar to Windows Media Player that can play everything. For these controls, shown here at the bottom. Just like we compare with other players. Play button can normally be played. One with the rewind and fast forward button. When you press and hold down, the audio or video file goes off in double speed. Similar to the next two button controls are previous and next. Previous button goes back to the starting point and next button goes to the ending point. Additional features are shown next to the audio and video controls. Press Ctrl and K to open a window. Audio controls includes basic features. Volume, that you are already familiar with the sound. Bass and treble, as we discussed about equalizers in Windows Media Player. Balance, lets you adjust the sound speaker, one on either left or one on right. Now, there is one additional feature called the pitch shift. Pitch shift lets you adjust the semitone level. For example, your semitone pitch is C key for the musical note. When you move the slider, the semitone pitch increases. If semitone pitch is +1, the pitch is the C sharp key. There are 12 possible key levels, 7 for the C, D, E, F, G, A, B key, and 5 for the sharp and flat key. Hence we call the feature as a pitch shift. One on the other hand, for video controls. Brightness, a slider lets you adjust the intensity. Color, that acts as a saturation, from grayscale to high tone color. Contrast, that can act in different way of saturation from solid gray to high tone color. And tint, acts as a hue in terms of an angle. For the playback controls, one is the jog shuttle. If you slide to the left, this will rewind, and if you slide to the right, this will fast forward. And one called a playback speed, the speed ranges from 0.5 to 3 times. Same way for the jog shuttle or pressing and hold down forward and rewind buttons. The maximum speed allows up to 6 times, just like play speed settings in Windows Media Player. So that is how the Quicktime Player works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.